What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Starting out the day on Steam, it loaded up a video to DTube, which is like a decentralized YouTube that uses the Steam blockchain, and told people, hey, upvote my stuff, leave comments, and I will upvote your stuff. So I already upvoted this guy here. I love your channel. Also bought some ZOUK. Hope the price will go high and earn some. Yeah, let's go ahead and upvote you. Bought 100 ZOUK coin. Excited to see where it goes when exchange launches, but also worried about lending market after BCC died. Yeah, that's the thing right now. There's a lot of companies and ICO startups that have to do with lending platforms, just like ZOUKcoin, where I am interested in their lending a little bit. I'm more interested in staking, so I'm probably gonna do like the minimum in lending and just kind of see it grow, but I really want to get into the staking. So anyway, as promised, guys, I've upvoted your stuff, upvote each other's stuff. It's free to upvote, it doesn't cost anything, and y'all get payouts. Even if it's just a few cents, y'all are earning money on the Steam blockchain, and it will slowly grow your Steam influence if you turn that Steam into Steam power, meaning your upvotes will be worth more. So definitely check out Steam if you haven't yet, guys. I'm upvoting all the comments. Even if they're bad comments and you hate me, I'll still upvote it because I think Steam's cool, and I think Steam it's cool. We can check out DTube as well. Alright, so here we are on DTube. Basically, it looks just like YouTube. We can go pop over to my channel. Yesterday was my first upload, and looks like I got about 3 cents on my upload, and the net worth of my Steam account is like $3, so that's really cool to see. It's pretty much just like YouTube. It's got an about section, videos. If you look at it, it's awesome, but it's powered by the Steam blockchain, which is starting to really take over the social media space, with Steam it allowing you to post your blogs and everything, and DTube, which is like a decentralized YouTube. So I'm going to be posting my videos on Steam at first, just to give special access to the community of Steam, so they'll get an upload first, and then afterwards I'll upload it to YouTube, just to kind of have some fun and do some release on Steemit. So definitely go make Steemit accounts, guys, and then that same login will allow you to log into DTube. If you go to your wallets on Steemit, it'll give you like a private login key, and that's basically your password for DTube. So definitely check it out, guys. Really excited about the Steemit blockchain and the accessibility and growth that Steemit is offering its people. So even earning 3 cents, you know, it's not much, but it's just fun to see cryptocurrency in action, and that's what I like to see. Blockchain technology and the future of cryptocurrency being utilized in such a powerful way like it is with Steam. So check it out. If we look at the markets today, we see Bitcoin doing work, almost up to $12,000, which is really exciting. Really excited for that. I was holding my Hashflare power for a few days, and I just bought some more giga hashes because Bitcoin price did go up. So I was holding, you know, since here about my daily Hashflare earnings, and I will show you guys that in a minute, how I upgraded, because I waited for the price of Bitcoin to go up. So it's really cool to see Bitcoin price going up, and the total market cap right now, it's about 3 billion higher than it was a few minutes ago. So almost at $600 billion for the total market cap. Bitcoin having a dominance of 33%. So we do see some going into altcoins as well. We see Ethereum's coming back up with a nice little run up here. Ripple's up again. Litecoin's back up. We're having a little run up here with Litecoin. So as a Litecoin holder, it being one of my favorite coins in 2018, I'm excited to see Litecoin going back up to over $200. EOS is up to almost $15. That is another top coin for me, and we see EOS now in the number 9 position. So it's slowly moving up the ranks here as more and more people are buying into EOS, and I think it has a big future going into 2018 as well. Tron's down again. Still gonna hold my Tron. I'm holding about 1,700 Tron right now. It didn't cost much when I bought into it. I bought into it at 8 cents, and right now it's at about 6 cents, so I'm definitely not gonna sell at a loss. I'd rather just hold it for the long term. I knew buying into Tron that I would be holding long term. So that's just a little Tron update for you guys. But yeah, heading over to Hashflare, I'll show you what I mint. So I had this morning about 0.185 terahash a second, and when Bitcoin hit its peak, I went ahead and bought it really quick. So it was around 11,800. It did dip down a little bit. I bought my Hashflare right about here. It was a little higher than it is now, so it started to dip, so I decided to buy it at its top here, even though it has the potential to keep up this bullish trend and go higher. I decided, you know, why not? So I'm at 1.92 terahash a second. By February, I was hoping to get about 2 terahash a second, so we will see if we make that. It might be really close. Today is the 28th. So in the next 4 days, we will see if I can get that in. That would mean we would need to see the price of Bitcoin go up. So if Bitcoin goes up, I might get it in, but it might be like February 1st or 2nd that I actually get to my goal of having 2 terahash per second, but slowly upgrading that. It's been a little less profitable as the Bitcoin difficulty did go up. So hopefully we will see the price of Bitcoin go up to make it worth it. Hashflare becomes less profitable if we see Bitcoin's difficulty increase, but normally this isn't a problem because the price of Bitcoin's also increasing just as quickly as the difficulty. So normally it stays pretty steady, but when the price of Bitcoin stays the same and the difficulty increases, then that's where you see, you know, I was making about $4 a day, and so far I think 2 or 3 times in January the difficulty of Bitcoin has gone up. So we see me now making $4 a day going to making about $2.17 a day. So we definitely need to see the price of Bitcoin go up quite a bit to see those same returns, but I'm confident that. I also changed around my mining pool settings here because of all the mining FUD going around in China right now. I decided to put down Bitcoin China a little bit, put up Slush a little bit more, and then add BW.com back up. Just messing with these mining settings, so I'll let you guys know if I see any change in profit with my mining settings. Aside from that, this is just a general update video going over everything we're going to. So DAVCoin is currently at about $21 a coin right now, so it's really low. Okay, now we see it going back up. It hit like a bottom of like $20, so we're up a few dollars right now, which is cool to see. So I've been kind of debating whether or not to buy a couple DAVCoin. I did transfer what I had in my lending wallet to my DAV wallet here, and I went from 0.1 that I was holding to about 0.48, so holding almost half a DAVCoin. My goal is to get this up to having 1 coin in here from earnings without putting any extra money into it to start staking. So I really want to start staking DAV. That's a goal for mine, but we see some pretty low percents here coming up, which is abnormal for DAVCoin. So we'll see what the future has. They just had a cool update release where you can, after you lend, basically take out your lending, that your money you lent prematurely, releasing your capital earlier for a small fee, which is cool. Definitely makes the platform safer, but we'll see what the future has here if these interest rates go back up. I like lending programs, but I'm more interested in staking at this point, so I definitely want to start staking some DAVCoin and holding DAV long term. And that was my whole purpose in getting into the lending program, was to start taking profits from lending, turning them into coins, and then staking the coins. So we're well on our way to that journey right now, just 28 days into DAVCoin, already holding a little bit. Really excited to see the future of that and what that has to offer. But yeah, guys, the markets are looking good today. It's a pretty slow day news-wise in the cryptocurrency journey, which usually means the price starts going up. So nothing crazy, but steady increase, and hopefully we'll continue seeing that going into February. So guys, stay tuned for that. Again, if you haven't yet, be sure to join our Discord group down below, where I'm posting every single day little updates, and we're just talking back and forth with each other, discussing ideas, theories, ICOs, altcoins, and everything in the Discord chat. So if you want the latest information from the CryptoRuff channel, definitely check out the CryptoRuffians Discord group down below, completely free to join, and we're starting to have a fun little community there, which is really exciting to see going into 2018. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Just giving you a few updates here, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question down below. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.